Hello everyone, welcome to YYB, your younger brother's channel. If you're new here, my name is Dominic, and today we'll talk about the easiest way to hack a Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any other social media account using just your phone. But first, warning. This video is only for educational purpose and educational purpose alone. Always remember, unethical hacking is illegal, and if you're caught hacking, your destination will be jail. Now that we're done with the warning, let's hit right into the video.
First things first, head on to your Play Store or App Store and search for Termux. Termux. Search. The first thing to appear will be A. Now it's downloading. Let's check the review. Yeah, this is Termux is a terminal. If you are into cybersecurity or you know Linux, much about Linux, maybe you are a techie kind of guy, I'm sure you already know what Termux can do. It's a terminal for it's a Linux. All right, now we are done installing Termux, right? Will allow it to install the necessary stuff. Then the first thing we're going to do is to update it. Apt update. It doesn't take time depending on your network. Apt upgrade to upgrade all the Folocom software. Hit on Y, which is yes, and Termux is upgrading. Let's wait. Okay, the first software we are going to install is called Git. Now click on type apt install Git and wait to see the magic. Hit yes, hit. Now it will look for Git and install Git for us. Alright, Git has been installed. So now we are going to use a tool for hacking called Zfisher. It's a phishing tool. Search Zfisher. Once you search Zfisher, you see GitHub will open this for you. Click on this second HTR tech. It will open this. Some tab looks like this. You will see it on your GitHub. If you are a GitHub user, you already knows. And then once you click on that code, you will see something that looks like this. Click there and copy it. Head back to your Termux and type git clone. We're using that software that is just installed called Git to clone this from the GitHub. Then paste the link that you just copied from there and hit enter. Now Git will help us clone this tool into our Termux and we'll be able to use it. Just give it a few seconds or minutes depending on how fast your network is. Here is a village, so my network isn't that fast. Zfisher is installing. Please like this video so that the algorithm will recommend it to more people and it will encourage me to create more amazing videos like this. I am sure this video will be very helpful to you. Also, if you're wondering how you can be able to browse the internet without a Wi-Fi using your SIM card, your mobile data, but with your flight mode off, you will be able to browse the internet. It's amazing. If you're someone like me who doesn't like calls, comment it and I will show you how to do it. Alright, our tool has been installed. Now let's do ls to see the list of available packages. ls, hit enter, we only have Zfisher, the almighty Zfisher. Now do cd Zfisher, so that we could opt into the Zfisher directly. Hit, oh, we are into Zfisher. Now do ls again, ls, oh, right here we are. Now what we are going to do is we're going to run Zfisher, but for us to do that we'll be able to type dot slash Zfisher dot sh. Now let me show you where we got that sh that we are typing. See it here. All right, that's it. Now hit on enter and Zfisher is installing. Good news, right? I love this tool so much because it has done a lot for me. Liked this video? If you haven't, please do while waiting for Zfisher to complete the installation package. And also subscribe to be part of the family, alright? Alright, our almighty Zfisher has been installed. Good. Alright, final stage of this tutorial. Our tool has been installed. As you can see clearly, the almighty Zfisher. Now see the list of things you can hack with this. Select an attack for your victim. You can either do Facebook, Instagram, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, PayPal, Steam, Twitter, PlayStation, TikTok, Mediafire, Discord, About, Twitch, Pinterest, Snapchat, LinkedIn, eBay, and so on and so forth. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to go with number one. And then you see you can create a traditional login page, that exactly that page that you see when you want to log into your Facebook account. This you can create it here, but it will be fake, but it will look exactly that way. Advanced voting pool, this is like a voting system where you tell somebody that, hey, can you vote for me on something on Facebook, and they will click on that link and they'll log into their account for vote for you. They don't know that they have sent their login details to you. And then fake security login page, you can be able to create a login page. You can be able to Facebook Messenger login page, any kind of Facebook login page that you want to create, you'll be able to create it, which is why I always advise people to use two-factor authentication on their Facebook accounts to keep it secure. Now, what you're going to do for the purpose of this video, click on number one, hit enter, and I always tell people the best the best option to create a link for sending to somebody is Cloudflare, which is number two. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to go with number one, localhost, because we are not sending this link to anyone. Localhost. Do you want to custom a custom port? No. Click on end. So our link has been hosted successfully. Now copy this link, paste it on your browser, and just to test this thing, hit enter. This is exactly what your fake website that you create, your fake Facebook login page looks exactly like this. What is the difference between this and Facebook login page? There is absolutely no difference, but the only difference here is this: whenever the customer clicks on their login details, this is not my login details for your information, I don't even use Facebook, they hit on login, they hit on login, it's delaying there, but in fact immediately they hit on login, you have been sent their information. Now you can see the first information you have been sent is their IP address, and if you are into cybersecurity, you know what you can be able to do with IP addresses. And the second thing they did to you is they sent you is either their Gmail or phone number. The third thing is they sent is the third thing they sent is the victim's password. So you see, this tool is amazing. We have other phishing tools, and if this doesn't work for you, comment and I will create video on other phishing tools that you can be able to use and hack in the social media. Just using your destiny. Always remember, this is only for educational purpose. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to this channel to see more amazing videos like this.